We're going to talk about Britannica School, which is one of my personal favorite resources that we have available to us. The first thing I want to point out is that it is available in both English and in Spanish. I'm going to go ahead and show us the English version today. When you go ahead and you enter Britannica School, you'll notice at the top it says elementary. One of the coolest features that I think about Britannica School is that it has different levels, and the children are actually able to click through and they can find the information best suited to them. So for example, if I were to find an article on an animal, let's go ahead and read about poison frog. It does have the basics, so like a very small paragraph here. It's got different tabs they can click through. The details aren't too long. Now, if a student decides they want more information on the topic, or perhaps it was too easy of a read, they can go ahead and click on this icon up here. And this is going to take them to Britannica School Middle. So you'll notice the levels change up here. Definitely more information available to the students on this page. Maybe not for our elementary students, but there might be a few out there that perhaps they want even more information. So they can go ahead and now the level 3 icon will appear. So again, even more details. It's a much longer article that the students can go ahead and read. So I absolutely love that. Back on the home page, we'll see down here at the bottom are the major categories that Britannica School offers. It is available for all ages, so not only does it have the different reading levels we saw that can go from elementary all the way to middle school, and there's actually even some high school articles on here, but we do have a tab down here for pre-K to second grade students, so it is for everyone. If we go ahead and click on this, it does have different things the students can read, they can explore. There's even games they're able to play. Very simple games for preschool level.
Which weighs more? Drag your answer to correct.
Very
Great
simple
job.
for the students.
Drag
so there
the
is
stars
the
to the
lower
top
level
box.
options. Another really cool feature of Britannica School that I enjoy is that it does the citations for us. So for example, if I wanted to read about a biography, over here in the corner, we see a whole bunch of icons. This little check mark right here goes ahead and allows the students to get the citation. So again, we don't have to worry about the students copying our information. We are covering copyright and plagiarism, so students can go ahead and make sure they get their citations right here on the direct source. This is something that might be useful, especially for distance learning. You are able to link this to your Google Classroom or share it on a Google Drive. You can also go ahead and email it to yourself. You could always insert a hyperlink. Another thing I really enjoy about this site is it does do related searches. So if a student decides they're interested in Robert Ballard and they go, oh, the Titanic is such a fascinating thing, I wonder what else I can learn. It does have a related tab here, and it's going to take them to a whole bunch of other search options. And it not only does articles, it also does other websites that the students can go ahead and take a look at. Britannica is not only good for different articles and reading levels, it also has different videos students can go ahead and look at. So if you click on media, they'll be able to find images and videos related to different topics they are interested in. And that is Britannica School. I hope you enjoy this amazing resource.